how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok iPhone. So if you want to remove you may like suggestions on your TikTok iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. Now you need to go with settings and privacy, and here you need to go with notifications. Now, under notifications, you need to scroll down a bit, and then as you can see that you will find the notifications of personalized post suggestions. You need to just simply go and toggle these options off, like these three options. You need to turn off these three options, and after turning these off, you need to come back and then go with your search. And here you need to clear all of your search. Tap on see more, and you will have all of these options. Go with clear all, which will be on the bottom, and tap on clear. Now restart the TikTok, and it will remove all of your you may like suggestions on your TikTok iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.